So Nigel, the Bordeaux with Air Jordan came in what model first? Do you know?
Yeah.
I'll give you $5 if you can guess it.
Air Jordan 6.
Ooh.
What?
So close.
Air Jordan 5. 7.
It was a 7, but that's the third try.
Was it not a 6?
No money for you. There is a 6.
There is a 6. That wasn't
but that
the
wasn't
first?
the first, no.
What's up, C Squad? It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Daddy and Son.
Kick Talk.
And today, we're going to be talking about
The Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Bordeaux. So, yeah, Nigel, the Jordan Bordeaux colorway came about in the Jordan 7 initially, and then came about in the Jordan 6, which we actually got a release on this year, which we actually do have right here.
And that wasn't the first.
That was not the first. It was the 7 first.
When did that drop?
What, the 7?
Yeah.
I didn't research. I can't remember the year.
How long ago you think?
If you know, let us know down in the comment. And while you're down in the comments, also hit that notification bell so you know when we're dropping new heat. Cool?
Yeah.
All right. Now that's out of the way.
Maybe an estimate as to when you think the Jordan 7 Bordeaux dropped.
Man, the 7, I seriously can't remember.
Was it long ago or not long ago?
It had to be in the 2000s. I don't remember it in the 90s when
I was born
wearing
in
7s.
2006, so maybe I just wasn't like active in the community at that time. You know what I'm saying?
You definitely weren't in 2006. You were a baby.
Yeah. So in the 2000s,
right.
I wasn't really. You know what I'm saying?
We'll research it and throw it up on the screen because I can't remember what year that was. But the 7 was the initial Bordeaux.
Yeah.
The 6, which I have always loved and finally got my hands on a pair this year. So yeah, this came from the Nike restock, which was about 2 months ago because I missed it before the L when they did release on sneakers the first time. But we're not talking about the 6 today. Again, we are talking about the new, fabulous, and luxurious. What?
The one.
The one. I thought you were saying hold
I
up.
was doing the Doctor Strange.
Got it. The Jordan 1 Retro High OG Bordeaux.
That is some dope.
That is some dope. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful colorway in this shoe, man. And I truly feel like this is a perfect Jordan 1.
I agree, man.
I mean,
Like this is really like a flawless shoe, right?
it is. You know, I wear mostly black or gray pretty much all the time. So I can rock these kind of either way. But the thing I love about this shoe, man, is the leather that they gave us on the shoe. I don't know why they don't do every Jordan 1 like this. You know, we get some with that stiff, smooth leather.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's like some synthetic stuff that they use in different parts. What is this? What kind of leather is this?
But with this, we get a tumbled leather.
Boom.
Yes, sir.
All over. Good
All
job.
over. Thank you.
I mean, from, you know, the collar section of the shoe, all around the wing on the shoe. The only thing that's not tumbled is the swoosh.
And the tongue.
And the tongue. Well,
And
yeah,
the swoosh is tumbled if you look close enough.
yeah, it's got some kind of little crackle to it. But this thing, I mean, if you look at the toe box, take out the insert and just press down on that front panel like the vamp of the shoe. See, this is actually the vamp. We talked about that before. The vamp.
Cardi shoe, bro.
I still don't know Cardi and the vamp connection, but if y'all out there, you know that. That's this generation, not the old man generation.
Y'all know.
But this colorway, you know, is really nice. It's reminded me too of the Japan Navy colorway that came out. You might not remember that. That was last year, I'm pretty sure. And it was basically this exact same color blocking, good leather, but I think it was more like a nubuck upper.
Okay.
But the cool thing on this one too, if you look at the Jordan Wings logo, it's in this kind of jeweled, like little casing on the side.
I thought it was like a bubble, but this is like, it's not really a bubble because it's so hard.
Yeah.
I like this.
It's like a jeweled, like nylon casing.
Yeah.
You know, I'm kind of worried about that a little bit because I'm not sure how these will age.
Yeah.
Because this kind of stuff tends to yellow.
Like cloudy, right?
Yeah, it starts to, but I think overall, man, this is a clean shoe.
You got a silver swoosh. That is cool.
Yeah, it's a nice, I mean, I really don't have much else to say about it besides it's fire.
Let's talk about the Bordeaux history. So,
Boom.
The Bordeaux color has always been regarded as a wine-flavored color. Now, the Jordan brand has used the Bordeaux color since the early 2000s. And when did wine popularize?
Way before
Thousands. About 2,000 years ago. So now it's making a comeback.
So anyway.
And it's a wine-colored shoe?
Yes.
Called Bordeaux. Now, what does Bordeaux mean?
Bordeaux is a type of wine. It's a type of grape. And it's from the Bordeaux region of France.
And I am glad you knew that. Because I did. I was testing you.
Oh, you were testing me.
Yes. Now, the Bordeaux region of France is where Jordan is keeping their secret headquarters.
You adding stuff.
I don't know.
That's not true. But this, yes, is a very rich, luxurious, wine-colored Bordeaux Jordan 1. Like I said, I think it's a, perfectly done shoe.
It's so simple.
They gave us,
flawless.
yeah, and the color is good. I think with these, I would rock the laces that come in this, the Bordeaux Color laces.
Yeah.
Because they come with white laces.
I like the white too, though.
I love the white, but I would be scared that the dye from this paint will rub off on your laces, right? So you got like a bright white. And that's happened to me on a few different pairs of Jordans. Like that color will get on those white laces, and then it's like, my Hyper Royals got like a blue on part of them and stuff like that. Anyway, I would take a chance because I think the white's gonna be super clean.
Or you could do the thing that you could do with some of the shoes and mix them together.
That's a whole different chore. You gotta watch another video for that one, and I don't know how to do that. Just pulling these out just so you can see the color of those laces. They are rich, like a rich Bordeaux color. You gotta go right up that white tongue, or you could do the white lace, which again I think makes very clean look to the shoe, very clean aesthetic. Anywho, would you rock this color?
Oh, indubitably.
You would?
Yes.
Yeah, with your color palette that you wear like on a regular basis, it's a lot of grays, blacks,
It's really
maybe some tans.
I mean, I have some colorful stuff, but nothing really that I can wear with this. I think gray would be good with this.
Gray would be good.
Yeah, but not like the gray I have. Like I have this little like Fugazi Nike Tech kinda. So that really wouldn't be good with the Bordeaux. But like if I had like
the one that's like kind of beat up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That wouldn't really be good with these. But I would rock it with gray.
Yeah. Gray sweatpants, gray sweatshirt.
Yeah.
So a whole sweatsuit.
You can rock it with this.
Yeah.
Black is cool with it.
Black on black, you're right.
Yeah.
Yep, I'm not putting these on foot though, because these are for my homie. My homie Eric got these for him, so I'm not going to lace them up and put them on because that's just a violation of shoe etiquette. Anyway, your rating on the shoe?
10 out of 10.
Boom!
I think it's flawless, man. I can't see anything wrong with it, to be honest with you. What about you?
I gotta agree on that. I think it's pretty flawless. The only thing I would say, I love the silver swoosh, but I wish they would have gave it to us in that same Bordeaux color on the swoosh. So then would have just been straight like a white and Bordeaux color shoe.
I like how they kind of switch it up though. Give it a little tertiary color, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, the tertiary's back.
Yes.
Agreed. I'm gonna give him a 9, only because that swoosh could go, Bordeaux for me.
L rating.
Hey, that's a 9 out of 10.
It could go Bordeaux,
it's
but it's good as silver, right?
As good as it is.
Right.
But it could even been a step up. So there's gotta be some room that I'll leave in there.
Okay.
That's my take on it. Y'all tell us what you think. Did you cop a pair? Do you like them, love them? What do you think? We want to hear from you in the comments. Have a conversation. Hit us up. Talk to you next time. Peace.